Today I will talk about how can you enable new matches notifications on your Hinge app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on photo profile down here. When you just click on photo profile, it's going to take you to this list or your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it. So when you click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. Then you click here on push notifications. You just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. You come here to new matches, click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here new matches notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.